Guys, this is Monty with True Beauty Glams. If you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, keep on watching. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos to see how I achieved the wash and go and also the 3-strand twist out, which is just a short video. So today what I'm going to be doing is blowing out my hair. This is from a 3-strand twist out. And I'm going to be putting the heat protectant on my hair using a low temperature setting on the blow dryer at first, and then for the last like 3 or 4 minutes I'm going to put it on high heat to just get the ends to be a little bit straighter. The reason that I blow dried my hair out was because I get a lot of those little strand knots, and I'm trying to retain my length, so that's why I decided to go ahead and blow out my hair. I think I'm more of a blow dried or blowed out natural. I've seen some videos on that is an actual thing. So I love doing Bantu knot outs because they are really beautiful. This is a perfect hairstyle for any occasion, a special occasion, birthday, or like Valentine's Day is coming up, date night or something like that. The beach waves, and I also have done it 2 different ways, which the second part 2 of the video will be posted soon, but this is just the beach wave Bantu knot out way. But you can also do the Bantu knot outs another way. The smaller the Bantu knot outs, the more curls that you will have. The bigger the Bantu knot outs, the less or looser curl that you will have. It would be more like a beach wave. So I did a beach wave at first, but my hair is so thick, so it was like so much hair on my head. So what I did was went back and did the Bantu knot outs with maybe about 16 of them. At one time I think I did 14, the next day I did like 16 different Bantu knot outs, but I said I will compile that video up and make a part 2 so that y'all can see the 2 different ways of the Bantu knot out, how you can have different options for the Bantu knot out. So just keep watching the video and y'all will see that you know, my hair has been stretched. It is growing longer. I don't know if it's because I've blow dried it. It's longer than my length check from the last time, but the Bantu knot out really came out really nice. And let's keep watching the video, and I hope that y'all enjoy. So I'm done blow drying my hair out, and I did a little dusting. If you saw in the other clips, I dusted my ends a little bit, but I didn't do like a full trim. So now what I'm gonna do is just go in and do like a small little trim to just get those ends to just not be so raggedy. Like I said, I have been locked for over 10 months, having got my hair trimmed in a probably about what, almost since 2019. So it was time for me to like just trim my ends just a little bit, just so that I won't have so many raggedy ends when it comes to taking out my Bantu knot outs. We're at 15. We're at like 15. That is even. So we had like 10 and a half right here. Almost 11. now what I'm doing is just going in with my homemade Shebe fenugreek hair butter cream that I made. I've also updated that recipe. I will be doing a video soon on that because I realized that I had over whipped it some. It was kind of too thick. I wanted it more of a creamier texture, so I went back in and redid it over. So I just took it out of the container and melted it again and re-whipped it, and it came out so much better. So I will be doing a video on that DIY Shebe butter with the fenugreek, and it also has my miracle hair growth oil with over 30 hair herbs and oils in it, so that will be coming to you soon. So now what I'm doing is just doing the Bantu knots now, and it's really easy. Just keep watching. I'm gonna kind of like really explain how to do the Bantu knot. So I start filling it full. I like pulling my root of my edges of my hair. So I do like 3 right here. I hope y'all can see. I think y'all can. Again, my mango shea butter, as you see. Twist. I usually twist halfway, and then make sure. Then I start coiling it and coil it under. Check out part 2 to see how the outcome of my Bantu knot outs worked. Make sure that y'all subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss no more of my videos. Always remember to keep God first, and until next time, love y'all. Smooches.